Welcome back. And just before we went into this break, we were talking about that exclusive news break that CNBC Awaaz had put out with regards to M&M looking to acquire the entire promoter stake of SML Isuzu. And the stock is also seeing some bit of recovery from the lows of the day. Yatin Mota of CNBC Awaaz, who had this news break, is joining in with more details on this. Yatin, what are your sources telling you?
What we gather from sources that Mahindra & Mahindra has initiated talks with Sumitomo, which is the parent of SML Isuzu, for a potential stake buy. Sumitomo currently holds 44% stake and has publicly stated that they would like to exit lower profitable businesses as well as smaller businesses of the group, which includes SML Isuzu. Now, what we are gathering is that Mahindra & Mahindra board is likely to meet shortly in this week for making a decision on the transaction. However, sources also added that the valuation that M&M is seeking for the stake, is broadly 1,800 to 2,000 crores, which would be a slight discount to the current market price. However, when we contacted Mahindra & Mahindra for this particular stake buy story, Mahindra & Mahindra said that they will not comment on the story since it's speculative, and there is a comment still awaited from SML Isuzu. But broadly, what we are gathering is that Sumitomo has accelerated the divestment process for SML Isuzu, and the Mahindra & Mahindra board will shortly meet to consider this particular transaction.
All right, will be very interesting to see how this goes. Yatin, thank you so much for breaking that for us. Mahindra & Mahindra, which was under a wee bit of pressure, has now ameliorated from the lows, currently at the high point of trade, still lower by about 1.5%, but has seen a fair amount of recovery. And SML Isuzu itself, which was trading at a firm premium, has now come off. So the intraday chart of SML Isuzu comes up for you from that big spike after the announcement was made to the price discovery that came by in terms of a valuation that Yatin just spoke about. So the stock has seen a bit of a dip from the top as well. And amidst all of this, the one that continues to gain is JBM Auto, perhaps on the back of not having to spend that kind of money for this acquisition, at least in the near term, some easing on their balance sheet. Take a short break, come back, get you more on the market.